Alright, we're taking out Walker's Surron Light Bee X today. He's off working right now, but he has generously offered that I could take this thing for a little ride while he's gone. You can see down here we have 77% charge. It is a fully electric dirt bike, if you want to call it dirt bike. It's an electric bike. It is a ton of fun. This is only my second or third time riding it. I already went to use a rear brake, but there's no foot lever for the rear brake. I believe the left lever is rear brake and right lever is front brake, meant to say. We got two power modes, Eco and Sport. We got lights on this side. I don't know if you could, hard to tell from here, but there is a light on the front. I'm going to keep that off to conserve power for now. He also directed me to an area where I can take this on a couple of little trails locally. Before I do that, I might take it for a spin around the block, although they do say technically you shouldn't ride this on, well, let me rephrase that. It may or may not be permitted to to ride this on the streets here in Wisconsin. It has been a minute since I've ridden this, and I keep going for that rear brake again with my foot. Got to relearn how to ride. Put it in sport mode here. That's more what I'm used to. I love this thing. I don't remember exactly what the top speed of this thing is. If I had to guess, I'd say probably maybe around like 40 or something. I'm not sure. I really don't know. Got to keep an eye on the battery. I have no idea how long the battery lasts on this thing. Part of my job here is to get that thing charging after I'm done running around. Again, my foot comes up to use the rear brake. I've been riding a lot this past year, but I've been riding my R6 mostly, and I have a couple of YR1s. That's me. Hello. A couple of 1967 two-strokes I've been running around on, and obviously I'm used to the rear brake being at my feet. Oh, my bad. I do like the brakes on this thing. They feel great. And especially now that he just replaced the, I think just the front brake he replaced, but yeah, feels good. I thought this road continued down a little bit, unless I'm mistaken, which it seems like I am. I'm not riding in any trails right there, unless, is this a trail? Looks like a trail. Interesting. I'm going to be very careful, especially because this isn't my bike, and I haven't done any off-roading for a whole year, and I don't want to get lost. Oh, jeez. Okay. If I look like an idiot, it's because I am. I don't know. I'm also wearing like a full street helmet and everything. We're just gooning around in these woods. Okay. Keep the feet on the pedals. So this is what, rear brake. Still getting used to this thing. Wow. Trying to keep a gauge on where I am as well. Should have probably gone around the block a few more times before heading into the mysterious woods here. Oh, there's a little smack to the helmet. Probably scraping up my visor. What do you think of the odds of me getting lost in here? Nope, not doing that. What am I doing here? Whoa. I'm like 1,000 miles away from home, just chilling. I don't know, probably like 800. Let's do a little farther on my back, or on the further back on the seat, if I can use English. Tough for me. Oh, what am I doing? Wonder if I have service out here. If I don't have service and I run out of juice, it's gonna be really interesting. I mean, the trails are fun. I'm having a lot of fun. I'm just a little nervous because I have no idea where I am. Probably should have followed Walker on his one of his regular bicycles, mountain bikes. But like, oh, what? There's a dog. What the dog doing? Hello. Excuse me. Sorry.
No, good. Enjoy the trail. Eh?
Oh, thank you. I don't know what he said at the end there, after I was farther away. What the heck? Well, there's a road, so worst case scenario, I'll bail and look at the GPS. I don't know what I was expecting when he said trails, but I don't know. I feel underqualified to be riding here right now, especially because there's so many turns and whatnot. This is starting to look less like a trail and more like a garden. I'm just going through someone's... What the heck? Brother. Okay. Noted. Alright. Maybe this is a good spot to turn around and retrace my steps, because I imagine if I try to exit the trail, I'll probably spend a lot longer looking for the exit than coming in. So therefore, oh, they got hubcap markers? Is this supposed to tell me where I am? Or are those just decorations? Mushroom right in the middle of the trail. Once again, thanks to Walker for letting me just come out here and goof around. Well, I don't, this is definitely not the way I came, right? I don't remember going on or anything like that. No, I did come this way because I came from down there. But am I comfortable going back down? Probably not, but here I am. I'm gonna go right into that. Alright. Oh, I have no faith in myself. What the heck? Now I'm a little anxious doing this. I might have to cut this part out of the footage. Alright. I'm basically walking at this point. Use 6% of my battery. Maybe I should go on eco mode. I don't know. Interesting. A little landmark there. I don't know. Oh, a little wheelie there. We're good. Laid it down, but I wouldn't really even consider that a full wreck. So I feel like that's as gentle as you could put a bike down. Alright. Yeah, I think there's a breaker switch so I can flip this. Okay. Here you go. I'm turning around. There's no way I'm doing this. Well, let me just walk up this little bit. What the heck am I doing? Gotta commit. Oh, that was a little more than I bargained for. A big branch to hit my arm, but that's alright. We're still chugging along. That's why you wear gloves. I scratched my hand first, but I'm alright. I do like the little trail markings. I feel like maybe that turn would have been a good idea, but this still seems kind of familiar. Okay, that goes up to a fence. I didn't come in by a fence. We got flamingo there. That seems like it would be an offshoot. Let's see how close I am to figuring out where to enter. Okay. Yeah, alright. We're probably fine then. Just goes. I'm gonna take that one, the flamingo. Well, actually, never mind. Let me check how this goes. Oh, this is the can route, Pabst Blue Ribbon route. Okay. I'm not doing the jump. All right. Look at that. Even came out the same entrance that I came in on. Woo-wee! We're alive, brothers. You're oh man, that was fun. I mean, a little scary, but now I know there are markers and I can try to pick a route and stick to it.